Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Chilton Road in Darliston, Westmoreland. This is a quiet neighborhood. Here you will find this 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, magnificent two-family home that is 45 minutes from Montego Bay. This house is located on 2 acres of fertile land and was built with the intention for income earning potential. Some features of this house includes aluminum awning and fully grilled, spacious veranda, living and dining areas, kitchen, and so much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.